in using the tan table, we say the tangent theta is said to be the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. So let's look for the tangent of each of the angles. We are asked to find the tangent of 0.3. We shall then use the tangent table. Tangent of angles where x is in degrees. It's also similar to that of the sine and cosine, but its own value will have a change. So this is the x column for your angles, and these are the fractional parts of your angles. So we are asked to find the tangent of angle 0.3. So this is 0 under 3, and the tangent gives us 0.0052. So we have it to be 0.0052. Now if you look at it, you will agree with me that tan theta is equivalent to sine theta. Reason being that tan 0 is lying across this, and the angle there is said to be 0.3. That means it's very small, and the ratio is said to be of the opposite side to the adjacent side. What the value of the opposite side is approximately 0, but that of the adjacent is approximately 1. So 0 divided by 1 is said to be 0. That is why the value of tan theta is still same as the value of sine theta. Next is tan 60.5. It's still an acute angle, so we'll go to 60.5. Tan 60.5, this is 60, so look for 60 under 5. This is under 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it gives us 1.767. 1.767, while tan 88 under 0 is said to be 28.64. It's said to be 28.64. Now if you look at it, why is this so high? Tan 88, at that point your angle is somewhere here. Let's call this 88, and it is said to be the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. So these values are very small. At this point, the value of the opposite is way close to 0, and that of the adjacent is also approximately 0. So if you are dividing something like, let's take for instance 0.0824, if you are dividing it by another smaller number, it gives you a bigger number. That's why we are having the value of tan 88 to be 28.64. Tan 45.2, our tan table 45.2. Tan 45.2 is said to be 1.007. 1.007 to 4 significant places. Next is tan 26. Tan 26, the value of tan 26.0 is somewhere here. So this is tan 26.0, which is 0.4877. 0.4877. And tan 108 is also equivalent to minus tan 72, because in the second quadrant I said only sine is positive in the second quadrant. So tan 108 is equivalent to minus tan 72. So I shall get the value of tan 72 and negate it. That gives me the value of tan 108. 72.0 is said to be 3.078. This becomes minus 3.078. We'll do same to tan 135. For 135 is equivalent to 45 degrees. So tan 135 is equivalent to minus tan 45 in the second quadrant. So I shall look for tan 45. This is tan 45, 45.0. That gives us 1.00. So this is equivalent to minus 1.00. 0, 0, 0, and tan 111.5, that is tan 111.5 is equivalent to minus tan 68.5. So we shall look for tan 68.5, and tan 68.5 is located here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is said to be 2.539. This is minus 2.539. This is your value for your tan table. You can go through them and compare them with what you did in your own workbook. You can as well use your calculators to confirm the values, and let me know where you are still having issues. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while we recommend that you subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Also, you can use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult to you. We also advise to share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this project. Thank you for staying with us to the end of this class. See you in our next class on trigonometry. Do have a nice day.